never seen him this thin.
Muling nanawagan si Vice President Sara Duterte para sa pansamantalang paglaya o interim release ng kanyang ama na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula sa pagkakakulong sa International Criminal Court. Sa panayam ng Russian state media, inilarawan ni VP Sara ang kasalukuyang kalagayan ng kanyang ama na nakakulong ngayon sa ICC detention facility sa The Hague, Netherlands.
At the moment, he's in his thinnest. You've never seen him this thin. I've seen him from pictures when he was single, and that was the thinnest that I've seen him. And this is about the same at that time. I lost so much weight, and he has a problem with the cold and the weather in The Hague.
Ayon kay VP Sara, hirap ang dating Pangulo sa pagkain at madalas ay nalulungkot sa pag-iisa at pangungulila sa pamilya. Giit ng bise, hindi makatarungan ang patuloy na pagkakakulong ng kanyang ama na mahigit 100 araw nang nakakulong nang walang oportunidad para makapagpiyansa.
Well, as I said, the ICC is all about human rights and justice, and we don't see it in the case of former President Rodrigo Duterte. He has been in detention for more than 100 days without recourse for bail, and now his petition for interim release has been vigorously opposed without a legal reason by the prosecution.
Hindi rin aniya totoo na banta si dating Pangulo sa mga saksi at isang flight risk taliwas sa sinasabi ng prosekusyon.
If you can see the footage where he was pushed up the plane, he really had no strength at all to resist. And he doesn't intend to intimidate witnesses. He hasn't done that. We all know the list of witnesses because we have information coming in from the investigations conducted by ICC investigators here in the Philippines, and he hasn't done anything for the past 2 years.
Sa gitna ng lahat ng ito, sinabi ni VP Sara na mas naging buo at matibay ang pamilya Duterte. At kung may dahilan man sa kanilang pagkakaisa ngayon, ito ay dahil may iisang kalaban silang hinaharap, si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
As for the family, we have been more closer now. The quirk about our family is that we forget our personal differences if we have a common adversary. And at the moment, that is President Bongbong Marcos.
Nagpasalamat rin si VP Sara sa mga Pilipino, lalo na sa mga nasa abroad, na patuloy ang panalangin at suporta para sa dating Pangulo.
And we thank the Filipino communities around the world for their prayers. It is a big help. It helps President Duterte to know that Filipinos regularly visit The Hague, even if they are just outside the detention unit. And Filipinos regularly conduct rallies so that the world will listen of the injustice that is done to him by the ICC.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal, ako si Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.